Hey everyone, I'm Jay Cohen, editorial director here at Feed, and today I'm going to show you the simplest weeknight pasta meal. These are all ingredients that I just found in our pantry and fridge, and we're just going to whip it together with our friends at GE Profile Appliances to kind of use our Induction cooktop and give you a really kind of great back pocket recipe. To get started, I am just going to thinly slice 2 sweet onions. I'm going to get our GE Profile Induction cooktop, ripping around medium high. About 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to season this up with salt and pepper, as well as my secret ingredient is a little bit of baking soda. What that's going to do is help break down these onions and make them super jammy. So I'm going to let this go. I'm going to stir occasionally. You definitely do not want to forget about your onions or else they'll burn. And this will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I am just going to prep our kale. I'm going to stem it. Now I'm just going to give it all a rough chop. Does not have to be perfect since we are going to wilt this down. We are looking good on our onions, nice and caramelized. You see, the baking soda just makes this whole mixture so jammy. It's so perfect for pasta sauce. So, I'm gonna dump in all of the kale. We're just gonna let that wilt down, and I'm gonna drop the pasta. You could totally use frozen kale. You could swap in spinach or chard or escarole, honestly, whatever you have or can find, fresh or frozen, make it work. Meanwhile, I've got a pot of salted water boiling, and I'm going to add in 12 ounces of egg noodles. Typically, I only use egg noodles for chicken noodle soup, but it's the only pasta I had on hand, so that's what we're using today. You can use any shape you'd like. I'd love rotini in this, rigatoni would be great in this, anything you got. The best part about egg noodles is that they cook in just about like 5 to 7 minutes, so these are already done. I'm going to add them straight into our kale and onions. I'm going to start stirring it up. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of cream. And then I'm going to grate in 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Looks a little dry. Add in maybe a 1/2 cup of pasta starchy water. Super easy, creamy noodles. All that flavor from the onions and the kale. And it comes together super quickly. I'm gonna finish it off with a little more parm and a bit of lemon zest, just to brighten it up. And we're done. All right, let's give it a try. Oh my God. Sometimes even I surprise myself. The caramelized onions add such a beautiful sweetness, the base of that kind of like a jammy sauce with the cream and the kale and the cheese. This is like super simple, super comforting, and I'm a huge fan of the egg noodles for dinner now. If you want the full recipe, you could head to thefeedfeed.com. Huge thank you to GE Profile for outfitting Feed Brooklyn with your GE Profile smart appliances. I'll see you next time.